Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer from Yoursafe to Gcash. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. So firstly, open up your safe. So just go to this website and then log in your account. Once done, you'll see this homepage here. So since you want to transfer money, so just click this transfer money. After that, scroll a little bit and then tap on this one, international wire. And in here, what you're gonna do is to enter your transfer details to your Gcash account, starting from name, address, account number, currency, and the amount of money to be transferred. And once you're done with that, just click on confirm button. And once you hit confirm, you'll need to review the details that you provided. And after that, your money will be transferred to your Gcash account. And that's it. That's how you transfer money from Yoursafe to Gcash account. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.